Bazzite focusing on a Steam OS-like gaming experience, and Mint aiming for everyday desktop simplicity. This comparison helps you choose between a console-style gaming OS and a stable, beginner-friendly Linux desktop. Bazzite is a Fedora-based, gaming-focused Linux OS that delivers a Steam OS-like experience with broader hardware support for PCs and handheld devices. It includes pre-installed gaming tools, atomic updates with rollback, and a modern desktop environment. Users appreciate Bazzite's console-like, ready-to-play experience, strong stability, and rollback-safe updates. Some users find its immutable system and advanced terminology restrictive for traditional desktop customization. A pricing of Bazzite is entirely free $0 with no hidden fees or subscriptions. The project is community-supported and donations are optional. Linux Mint is a free, beginner-friendly Linux distribution based on Ubuntu, known for its stable performance and familiar desktop environments like Cinnamon, Métis, and XFCE. It's ideal for users switching from Windows or Mac OS and focuses on simplicity, privacy, and long-term stability. Users praise Linux Mint for its out-of-the-box usability, Windows-like interface, low resource usage, and bloat-free experience. Some users mention slower access to the latest software and limited support for very new hardware, but overall it's considered one of the most reliable daily-use Linux distros. A pricing of Linux Mint is completely free, $0, with no licenses or subscriptions required. The project is community-supported through voluntary donations, making it a cost-effective choice even for older PCs. If gaming and plug-and-play performance are your priority, Bazzite is the better pick. For general use, productivity, and a classic Linux feel, Linux Mint remains the safer and more user-friendly choice. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay smart and stay prepared.